Are you knee-deep in debris during your projects, wondering how to make waste disposal a breeze? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to Summit Dumpster Rentals, your answer to stress-free roll-off dumpster rental in Bakersfield, California. Summit Dumpster Rentals is here to turn that frustration into a hassle-free experience. Stick around, and let's explore how we're revolutionizing waste disposal. Imagine having the perfect dumpster size delivered right to your doorstep, customized for any project, big or small. Summit Dumpster Rentals has your back from project kickoff to the final cleanup. It's not just about dumpsters, it's about finding the perfect fit for your waste disposal journey. But here's the magic touch, our commitment to you. At Summit Dumpster Rentals, we're not just delivering dumpsters but peace of mind. We offer timely deliveries, transparent pricing, and a team dedicated to making your experience seamless and stress-free. We care about our community and our planet. Summit Dumpster Rentals is proud to be eco-friendly, prioritizing recycling and sustainable waste management practices. Your waste isn't just discarded, it's handled with care and environmental consciousness. So, are you ready to make your waste management journey a breeze? Think Summit Dumpster Rentals, your partners in turning waste into a worry-free experience. Visit www.summitpros.com, or call us at 661-370-0180 to book your dumpster today. It's time to experience the Summit Dumpster Rentals difference, where waste management meets convenience.